has continued the checks that have been going on, and today we have done checks at selected areas. We covered premises in Kanka, we covered premises in Arpora, in the Kalangut belt, and we covered premises here in this Kanka junction. Okay, altogether 11 premises were inspected, and from there we have closed 6 we have closed down due to unhygienic conditions. Also, we have done stock detainment of these confectionery items primarily because of mislabeling. So, as you see, these chocolates, so-called chocolates, are commonly sold, and they are misleading consumers by calling them chocolates. But these are not chocolates; they are confectionery items which are made with vegetable oil, and as per our standards, they don't fall under the chocolate category. Hence, we have seized these items, and we have also taken up this matter with the manufacturer to ensure that this misleading, of these chocolate items stops. So this is something that we've taken up. A large amount of stock has been seized, and we will be filing also a case in this. This kitchen condition was really bad. Rodents were also observed in the kitchen. Hence, this premises was fined 20,000 under section 69, and we have asked them to close and comply.